Hello all. Now in today's session we'll see the time response of undamped second order system for unit step input. Okay. So second order system transfer function we know omega n square upon s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. Okay. Now we need to find the time response of undamped second order system. So for undamped system, what? For undamped system, zeta is equal to 0. Okay, that means our transfer function will become T of S is equal to omega n square upon S square. This zeta is 0, so this term will be 0. So S square plus omega n square. Okay, that means what? T of S is equal to C of S upon R of S is equal to omega n square upon S square plus omega n square. Okay, now this is the unit step input we are giving to this. That means our R of T is what? U of T is unit step, that is 1. Okay, so R of S is Laplace transform of U of T, that will be 1 by S. R of S will be 1 by S. Now here we need to find the time response. Time response, that is we need to find the C of T. To find the C of T is what? I will move these R term in the right hand direction. So it will become C of S is equal to now R of S into omega n square upon S square plus omega n square. So R of S is what? 1 by S. So I will put directly over here 1 of S omega n square upon S square plus omega n square. Okay. After simplification, we'll have this S square plus omega n square. Now, this is the C of S is equal to this we are getting. Now, to take the inverse, because to get the C of T we need to take the inverse Laplace of C of S, but this expression is not in that term, so that we'll take the directly the inverse Laplace of this thing. So what I will do the partial fraction of this. So suppose one variable A, I have taken A by S plus BS plus C upon S square plus omega n square. I will write like this. Okay. So after this cross multiplication, we'll get S square plus omega n square plus S into BS plus C upon S into S square plus omega n square. Now, if I am comparing this equation with this, so what I will get if I am comparing with S square. Okay, so here we'll get S square, only 1 is there. So I will write, okay, this into this. So I will write what? I can write A is equal to 1. Then I will compare with S. So here you can see S terms are over here. Okay, and here 1. So what? A plus B over here, you can see A plus B, S square terms are over here. So A plus B is equal to 0. So I know, and C constant, here there is no constant, so I will write C is equal to 0. Okay, so just I am comparing this equation to this equation. Okay, and I am finding the terms over here. Okay, so here now we know A is equal to 1, A plus B is 0. So my b will become what? B is equal to 1 plus b is equal to 0. That means b will be minus 1. If I am writing these a, b, c terms into these equations, so this will become 1, a is 1 by s plus b is what? Minus 1. So it will become minus s upon s square plus omega n square. Now what I am getting? C of s is equal to 1 upon s minus s upon s square plus omega n square. So if I am taking the inverse of this, so I will get C of t is equal to Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus s upon s square plus omega n square. So here Laplace inverse of 1 by s is 1 minus this Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus omega n square is what? It is cos omega n t, where t is greater than equal to 0. Okay, so this is the time response of undamped system. That means when zeta is equal to 0 of second order system. Okay, thank you so much.